Hey, what's up BTT holder? This is live price prediction of BTT and be alert. And this video, my brother, I do a very critical condition, my brother, this time. So therefore, after a very long research, very high research, my friend, I come here and absolutely, my friend, I predicate this coin. I do a practical analysis, my friends. So let's get started this brand video. But kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request to kindly subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much everyone who's subscribing our YouTube channel. Let's get started without any time waste this brand price prediction video, my brother. Kindly, my brother, please try to understand, my brother, this time a condition is going to be very critical, so you need to watch this 2-minute video. Absolutely, if you watch this video, this video, and absolutely you are absolutely be safe from loss, my brother. So try to understand. Yeah, holder, as you can see, my brother, especially in the last 7 days, this coin is completely moving upward. Definitely it's a very good coin, my brother. You know, and the last month, my friend, they fell down completely and all month. So therefore I am so sad, but definitely in the start of month all cryptocurrencies fell down. But you can see this time BTT is completely one of the unique coin to them moving upward. So it's a very good news, my friend. You can see to them moving upward. So congratulations everyone to in the start of month they moving upward. It's a very good news. Thanks for watching, holder. Please remember to upcoming time there's more chances to them moving upward, and definitely if you hold in this current time exactly, my friends, they will give you a very good profit now. So holder, don't sell it and hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now in the second week, just in only in the second week, my brother. So you need to hold it just in only from the mid of this month. I hope, my brothers, they will change all the record, they will change all the changes, so you need to hold it. Please, my opinion is that to please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. This is my prediction to upcoming time they will moving upward. My expectation is very good from that, so you need to hold. Please, you also share your opinion in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.